Hello, assalamu alaikum, viewers and dear student. Today we are solving or try to solving exercise 1.1 question number 9 from the first year book FEC part 1. Let's from we start question number 9. Find the conjugate of the word from 3 minus 2 iota into 2 plus 3 iota divided by 1 plus 2 iota into 2 minus iota. First of all, we open the brackets, multiply this term to each term, 3 and 2 plus 3 iota, minus, also we multiply this term, minus 2 iota, 2 plus 3 iota, divide, have the term are different, so we cannot use formula. The same term we just like open, here open the brackets, 1 into 2 minus iota plus 2 iota into 2 minus iota. Now similarly we open the same term, 3 multiplied by 2 6 plus 3 multiplied by 3 9 iota minus 2 multiplied by 2 minus 4 iota minus into plus minus iota into iota square, because the same variable, so we add the exponent according to the exponent rule. Here similarly 1 multiplied by 2 1 multiplied by iota minus iota, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4 iota, 2 multiplied by 1, here is the coefficient iota is 1, 2 multiplied by plus into minus first, minus 2 multiplied by 1 2 iota multiplied by iota square. As we know that iota square is equal to minus 1, we replace wherever here iota square is available, so we replace iota square is equal to minus 1. Now we simplify the same term, 6. Here light terms iota and iota light terms, plus 9 minus 4 plus 5 iota minus, in the place of iota square we put minus 1. Similarly, here is 2, the same like terms, minus iota plus 4, minus 1 plus 4, we get plus 3 iota, minus 2 into minus 1. Now, further simplify, 6 plus 5 iota, minus into minus plus 1, divide 2 plus 3 iota, minus into minus plus 2. So, here is 6 plus 1, this is real part and real part, 7 plus 5 iota, divide by, here is real part 2 plus 4 plus 3 iota. Now we are finding the conjugate. Here is the problem is coming with this term. Now we in the denominator complex term is coming. Now we try to finish. We multiply. We divide. First we divide and multiply by the conjugate of 4 plus 3 iota. So the result will be equal to 4 minus 3 iota sin of imaginary part is take. So we divide and multiply 3 plus 4 5 iota divide 4 plus 3 iota into 4 minus 3 iota divide 4 minus 3 iota. So we can write in this term similarly this. So once again if we multiply to each other, 7 multiplied by 4 minus 3 iota plus 5 iota 4 minus 3 iota. Now look here, we use the formula because the A are equal and B term are equal. A plus B into A minus B, we can obtain a square minus b square formula we have used. 4 square minus 3 iota whole square. Now we multiply this term. So the result is 7 multiplied by 4, 28, minus 7 multiplied by 3, 21 iota, plus 12 multiplied by 4, 20 iota, plus into minus minus 5 multiplied by 3, 15 iota multiplied by iota, iota square, and the denominator will be over 4 square 16 and 3 square 9 iota square. Once again we put iota square is equal to minus 1 and replace our iota square. So the result will be coming here iota minus 21 plus 20, we get minus iota minus 50 into minus 1, divide the replace of iota square, we put minus 1, 16 minus 9 minus 1. Further we simplify 28 minus iota minus into minus plus 15 divided by 16 plus 9. Now we add this to the real part, we get here 43 minus iota divided by here we get 15, 25. Now we write the conjugate of, we can write, we already covered the conjugate. That means that we separate the real part and imaginary part, we can write this from this one. Now here we take the conjugate of the final term. Conjugate 43 by 25 minus 1 by 25 iota. So we take the conjugate, so the sign is changed here. 43 divided by 25 plus 1 over 25 iota. This is the required conjugate. Or 18 iota plus 1 by 25 whole exponent 3. Look here, 18 we can write 18, 2 9s are 18 we can write, so the remainder is 0. Already discussed in the previous video, we can write in this one iota 0. So anything raised to the power 0 we get 1. So iota square whole power 9. So it means that here we can write iota square whole power 9 and 1 multiply 1 power exponent 1, we can write this one 1 power 25 and iota power 25 whole power exponent 3. Similarly, we can write 25 2 multiplied by 1 2, this will be 0. 5 2 multiplied by 2 4, remainder is 1. So if we write in the iota form, iota square whole exponent 2, remainder is 1. So we can simplify here iota square is minus 1 whole power exponent 9 plus 1 25 times multiply we get 1 and iota 25 we can write in the form of iota square 12 into iota whole exponent 3. Now it means that minus 1 if we multiply 9 times, so we get minus 1 because the exponent is odd number, so we get minus 1. Similarly here, look here, iota we put the value of iota square minus 1, 12 into iota whole power 3. Now we further simplify minus 1 plus, we can write here the power is even number, it means that we get positive number, so we will get here iota 3. Now we take LCM also, we can write LCM minus 1, iota is the LCM, minus iota multiplied by minus 1 we get minus iota plus 1, so whole exponent 3. Now it means that we can write this from 1 minus iota whole power 3 and iota cube, we can write this term. Now here is the formula we can use AQ minus BQ, AQ minus BQ minus 3 A square B plus 3a into b square. So divide by iota cube, we can write iota square into iota. Now expand this term 1 cube 1 iota cube minus 3 iota plus 3 into minus 1 divided by minus 1 into iota. Here we can write further this simplification iota minus iota square into iota plus minus 3 iota minus 3 divided by minus iota. Here is 1, here is minus 3, so we get minus 2 iota square minus 1 into iota minus 3 iota divided by minus iota. So minus 2 minus plus iota minus 3 iota divided by minus iota. So minus 2 we get here minus 2 iota divided by minus iota. Once again here we divide and multiply by the conjugate of this one. So we write minus 2 iota minus iota. If we take the conjugate of this will be positive. So this will be positive. Now we multiply this one minus 2 iota square divided by minus iota multiplied by iota square. Further this simplification, so minus 2 iota minus 2 and 2 minus 1 minus iota square is equal to minus 1 minus 2 iota plus 2 minus into minus plus 2 divided by 1. So it means that we can arrange this one 2 minus 2 iota. So this is the form of a plus here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2 is the imaginary is equal to part of z1 z2 divided by z1 and z2. First of all, in the first part we are required z1 multiplied by z2. Consider this term 2 minus iota into minus 2 plus iota. So we open this term is multiplied and also this term is also multiplied to both term 2 and 2 minus 2 plus iota minus 2 plus iota. Now open the brackets minus 4 plus 2 iota plus 2 iota minus into minus iota square. Now we simplify this one minus 4 minus plus 2 iota plus 4 iota minus 1. So minus 4 plus 4 iota minus plus 1. So we further simplify minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 plus 4 iota. Here we get the answer z1 and z2. Now we are required the second term z1 conjugate. So z1 bar is required of z1. We can write 2 minus iota bar. We already discussed this is conjugate. Now we change the imaginary part minus and change into plus iota. Now we divide these z1 divided by z2, z1 and z2 divided by z1 bar. So the result is here minus 3 plus 4 iota divided by 2 plus iota. But here is required real part, it means we will change into the form of a plus b iota. So it means that here we divide and multiply by the conjugate of these terms and also multiply and divide. So now we are multiplying the numerators to both terms minus 3 2 minus iota. Similarly this term is also multiplied plus 4 iota 2 minus iota. And here in the denominator we use the formula a plus b a minus b. So 2 square minus iota square. Now expand these two terms minus 6 minus into minus plus 3 iota plus 8 iota minus plus into minus minus 4 iota square. And the denominator we have get 2 square 4 minus iota square. Minus 6 this will plus 3 plus 8 plus 11 iota minus 4 into minus 1 and replace our iota square we put minus 1 and here 4 minus iota minus 1 we put in replace of iota square minus 1. Further we simplify this term minus 6 plus 11 iota minus into minus plus 4 divided by 4 plus 1. Now real part 8 to the real minus 6 plus 4 we get minus 2 plus 11 iota divided by 5. Now we change into the real part and imaginary part. Further we divide the denominator individually 11 by 5 iota. Now look here we have get and this one here is the real part is here real part of z1 and z2 is the last one is minus 2 divided by 5. This will be the final result of z1 and z2. Now we are z1 is equal to 2 minus iota z bar, so 2 plus iota. Now combination of z1 and z2, z1, so we multiply to each other 2 minus iota, 2 plus iota. Here we can also use the formula a minus b into a plus b, so a square minus b square. So the result is 4 minus 1. So the result 4 plus 1. The result is 5. Now here we are required 1 divided by z1 and z1 bar. So 1 divided by 5. That means that we can write 0 iota. So we are required imaginary part. Imaginary part is here 0. This is already a real part A and this is B. So in the form of A plus B iota. It means that here 1 over 5 is the real part and B is part, imaginary part is 0. So the imaginary part of 1 by Z1 and Z1 bar magnitude, the conjugate, so the result is 0. Thank you very much for watching.